Hey guys, HavasuLew out in beautiful Lake Havasu. Hey, we're on our way to check out a brand new 3-bedroom listing on the south side, lakeside of the highway. Backs to open desert, right down the street to the new Havasu Riviera launch ramp. Hang out and check it out too, and I'll talk to you in a minute. Alright guys, we are at 1167 Regency Drive. This is what we call Lakeside of the Highway South. This house backs right to open desert. Sits on a big lot, 13,460 square feet. Has RV boat parking on both sides of the house. You can actually build an RV garage if you want it on this side. It looks to be big enough. Nice quiet area. This is also going to be right down the street to the new Riviera launch ramp. Let's go on in and check it out. Got a nice little courtyard. All right, so this is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 1,766 square feet. Open floor plan, split bedroom layout, vaulted ceilings. Got an eat-at kitchen counter. Got nice mountain views out the window. Little pantry. So you got your hallway to the garage, laundry, and master. So you have your master bedroom, has a slider out to the backyard, tall ceilings. Got your master bath, solid surface counters, dual sinks, walk-in shower, jetted tub. Got a nice big walk-in closet. Your indoor laundry has a skylight. It's a pretty good size utility sink. So you have your 2 guest bedrooms and your guest bath on this side of the house. Solid surface counter. You have guest bedroom number 2 at the front of the house. You have bedroom number 3 at the rear of the house. Nice mountain views out the back. So you have a 3-car garage, has 27-foot bays and a 34.25-foot boat deep bay, both 8-foot insulated doors. Got your air handler, water softener, and water heater out here. So the boat deep side is pretty wide. So you have a nice big covered patio, huge lot, plenty of room to probably add on and put a huge pool in if you wanted to do that. Fully walled. There is a gate with access to the open desert out there. This one, again, does back right to the desert. So you have, again, RV boat parking on both sides of the house. Tons of room back here. right, so we just went out the little man gate and out to the back here. Nice view of Cupcake Mountain, and you can see a lot of the lake. And that's all Havasu Riviera and the launch ramp right there. So it's got a pretty good lake view, a little tip of the island over there. And then here's the house. So basically these are all riding trails. You can't bring motorized vehicles back here or go shooting, but lots of bike trails, lots of hiking trails. It's super quiet. You can walk to the lake if you want to do that. Hey guys, HavasuLew back again with you. Hope you enjoyed that quick little video walk through the house over here on Regency. Again, this one was just listed for $599,900. I'll put a direct link to the listing detail page right below this video so you can get the latest price and all the pertinent information, including the listing pictures. If you guys have any questions, always feel free to reach out to me. I'll put all my direct contact information below this video as well. So always feel free to reach out to me. I'm here to help. You guys have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon.